We are off to a cloudy and rainy start here this morning in the Delta. Over the past several hours on radar, we have continued to see this activity spread a little bit farther east, and that is keeping that over us right here in the Delta. That rain chance will be sticking with us for the rest of today, and then as we go on into tomorrow, we're going to continue to see that rain chance in place. Temperatures right now across the area, basically lower 40s for everybody, 41 up in Batesville, and then it's 43 in Clarksdale, Greenwood, and right here in Greenville. A little bit further to the south, a little bit higher, 45 in Jackson, and 48 right now in Vicksburg. So the rain that we were just looking at on radar, all that will remain in place for the rest of the morning. Futurecast has that rain going on for the rest of the morning. Even as we go on into the afternoon hours, we'll continue to see more rain begin to filter into the area. Same goes for the evening and the overnight hours. We are going to be keeping that rain chance in place. So by midnight, Futurecast is thinking we should see basically about an inch of rain for areas back closer to the river by midnight. And then areas further east, back closer to Interstate 55, those areas should be seeing between a half an inch and an inch of rainfall for today before midnight. Then a little bit later on, though, by Saturday morning at 7 o'clock, we'll continue to see that activity going on. Should be up to about an inch and a half, some areas closer to 2 inches, back closer to the river for 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And then another system working its way through. That's what's going to bring in those yellow and orange colors. That's indicating some heavier rainfall moving this way. As that moves through, we could see a little bit of a chance for a little bit of flash flooding going on. I still think, though, the best chance for flash flooding will be remaining west of our viewing area. That's going to stay over into parts of Arkansas and Louisiana. As far as total rainfall amounts go for today and for tomorrow, I think most areas will be picking up between 2 to 4 inches of rain. Some areas, though, especially closer to the river, could even go a little bit higher than that. I think Futurecast is kind of underdoing these rainfall totals. Futurecast just showing basically 3 inches of rain for areas closer to the river. Probably going to see about an inch more than that fall as these systems move through for today and for tomorrow. Temperatures for today won't be changing too much on us. We're going to see that cloud cover sticking around. That's going to help keep us pretty steady. 46 by noon, 47 at 2 o'clock, only 48 for our high temperature today at 4 o'clock. And then as we go on into the evening hours, also not seeing these temperatures moving too much on us. 46 by 6 and down to 44 at 10 o'clock. Then a little bit later on tonight, temperatures not dropping down too much lower. 43 for your low temperature. Cloudy skies expected tonight. Winds will be out of the northeast at 10 to 15 miles an hour. Then for tomorrow, high temperatures not jumping up too much. 48 for the high, cloudy skies. About a 90% chance for some rain tomorrow. We could see periods of heavy rainfall going on. Also a windy day. Northeasterly winds coming in at 15 to 20 miles an hour. Could see some of those gusts reaching closer to 30 and 35 miles an hour for tomorrow. Then on Sunday, I think most areas will be drying out a lot better. Only about a 20 to 30% chance for a few isolated to scattered showers. Just some very light activity on Sunday. Staying a little bit cooler, though, with highs in the low 40s. Then Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday should be drying out pretty nicely. 45 on Monday, 51 on Tuesday, 57 on Wednesday. But then for Thursday, that rain chance back in the forecast.